The elements of the ancient Greeks and Chinese were thought of to be water, wood, fire, earth, and metal. The Greeks had earth, wind, air, and fire. The Chinese had them arranged in a cyclic arrangement like you see on the screen. They're like phases of a cyclic process, and one leads to the next. To take an easy example, suppose you're waiting around at home to go shopping. The waiting part is the water phase of the process. Okay, you wait and you collect your energies, you get ready to go. Then the wood phase is you get in your car, you get all your money together, plan your shopping list, you're ready to do it. You drive your car, you go to the store, you start to gather your things from the store. You buy the things, then you have all these products. That's the earth, it supports you, physical things, the earth. Okay, you drive home, that's the metal element, cleaning up, closing down the process. And then you go home and you unpack everything, done with metal, and then you wait again for the next cyclic process to come. That's an example of how the Chinese think of the elements, the 5 elements. It can be applied to any cyclic process at any time scale. These are the elements according to modern science. There are 118 elements. They're arranged from hydrogen to oganesson. Hydrogen has 1 proton, 1 electron. Oganesson has 118 protons, 118 electrons. So these are things. They're atoms, and they can be combined chemically with other elements to form larger and larger structures until you get to people on the Earth and planets and the sun and solar system, galaxies, things like that. So the elements in the Western modern scientific sense are atoms, atoms which can be combined into larger and larger structures. They're not phases of a process like they are in the Eastern ancient Greek views. Now, to help describe the process view of the elements, the ancient view of everything is part of a process, and these are the elements, the parts of the process. Water is down here, it's like a wave. It's a very low state, and then you start to build up. This is the wood phase. Fire is at the peak of the wave, any kind of wave of experience. Then metal, your earth, you're starting to come down, it gets more solid, you reach baseline. Metal, you're cleaning up, you're ending the process. Then water, you start all over again. Any experiential process can be described in this way, and it's a simplification of the cyclic Chinese elements. It's also called the Yin and Yang view. Yin is below the x-axis, Yang is above the axis. You got the cool part of the process and the hot part of the process at any amplitude and frequency. Okay. Astrology people also use the elements to describe types of personalities, like a watery, flowing, like Old Man River type of personality, a wood, a growth, someone always looking for more opportunities to develop themselves type of person, or a fiery person, always argumentative and boisterous, warm to people, either good or bad. It's the fire element that the person has more of than the other elements. Or the earthy type of people, down-to-earth people, and then metallic type of people who seek knowledge and maybe they have a strong structure all the time. So the elements can describe people's personalities, and also you can have a watery time in your life, then the wood, growth time of your life, the fire, middle age, earth, when you support your group of people, your family, metal, you're old, you have the understanding of the world, and then water, you die and you start all over again, if you believe in the cyclic birth and life, the cyclic life process and reincarnation. Thank you for watching this short video on the difference between the Western modern science view and the Eastern and ancient Greek idea of the elements. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Goodbye.